Mollywood actor and television presenter Rajesh Keshav was rushed to the hospital after collapsing during a live event in Kochi, sparking concern among fans and colleagues alike. Filmmaker Prathap Jayalakshmi shared an update on Facebook, revealing that Rajesh suddenly collapsed on stage due to a cardiac arrest. He was immediately taken to Lakeshore Hospital in Kochi, where he underwent an emergency angioplasty procedure to address the issue. Currently, Rajesh Keshav is on ventilator support as medical professionals continue to closely monitor his condition. Rajesh has made a significant impact in the Malayalam film industry with notable performances in movies such as Beautiful, which starred Jayasuriya, Anoop Menon, and Meghna Raj, and Trivandrum Lodge, featuring Jayasuriya, Anoop Menon, and Honey Rose. He has also appeared in Hotel California, Neena, and Thattum Purat Achuthan. Fans are eagerly awaiting his upcoming projects, as listed on IMDb, which include Shero and Oru Vadakkan Theruttam. Over the course of his career, Rajesh Keshav has shared the stage and screen with many prominent actors, including Tamanna Bhatia, Mohanlal, Sanjay Dutt, Trisha Krishnan, Kamal Haasan, Surya, and Rashmika Mandanna. The sudden news of his health crisis has led to an outpouring of support from fans, friends, and the film fraternity, all sending their prayers and best wishes for his speedy recovery. Rajesh's talent and dedication to his craft have earned him respect and admiration in the industry, and his well-wishers hope to see him back on his feet soon. As the actor continues to receive medical care, everyone stands united in hoping for his strength and swift healing. Stay strong, Rajesh. This Ganesh Chaturthi feels a little different for fans of Shilpa Shetty. Every year, her grand celebrations light up Mumbai, but this year, things have changed. The actress took to Instagram to share a reel of her Ganpati festivities from previous years. Along with the video, she penned a heartfelt note that touched everyone's hearts. Home feels incomplete without you this year, but the heart is full of your blessings. Earlier, Shilpa also posted an announcement sharing why this year's celebration is on pause. Dear friends, with deep grief, we regret to inform you that, due to a bereavement in the family, this year we will not be holding our Ganpati celebrations. As per tradition, we will be observing a mourning period of 13 days and will therefore refrain from any religious festivities. We seek your understanding and prayers. With gratitude, the Kundra family. Meanwhile, Shilpa's husband Raj Kundra is currently busy shooting for his upcoming film Meher. The film tells the emotional story of Karamjit, a man from rural Punjab struggling to reclaim his dignity as a father, husband, and son. On the work front, Shilpa was last seen in Sukhi, a light-hearted film about a 38-year-old housewife who goes to her high school reunion and rediscovers herself. Up next, Shilpa will appear in KD, The Devil, a Kannada action drama starring Dhruv Sarja, Sanjay Dutt, Shilpa Shetty, and more. This year, while the celebration takes a pause, the memories and blessings continue. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
और जिस वक्त होगी मैं सबसे पहले और किसी से कहूँ या ना कहूँ, मैं मीडिया से कहूँगा और आप लोगों को डेफिनेटली मैं कहूँगा कि यू प्लीज कम एंड सपोर्ट.
Bollywood couple Govinda and Sunita Ahuja recently found themselves at the center of divorce rumors. Reports had claimed that Sunita filed for divorce, citing adultery, cruelty, and desertion. But this Ganesh Chaturthi, the couple has come together to put those rumors firmly to rest. On this special occasion, Govinda and Sunita were seen celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi together in the city. The duo posed for photographers, clicked pictures with the Ganpati idol, and greeted everyone with folded hands, showing gratitude and unity. Outside their home, Govinda and Sunita shared sweets and soaked in the festive spirit. Sunita looked stunning in a rich burgundy sari, while Govinda complimented her perfectly in a red kurta pajama with a golden dupatta around his neck. This simple yet powerful image of togetherness showed fans and media alike that the couple remains very much united. Their daughter, Tina Ahuja, also responded to the rumors with grace. She said, "It's all rumors. I don't pay attention to these rumors." Tina added, "I feel blessed to have a beautiful family and I am really grateful for all the concern, love and support we have been receiving from the media, fans, and loved ones." Despite the negative headlines, the family is clearly standing strong and supporting each other during this time. Their appearance during Ganesh Chaturthi sent a clear message: family comes first. As the country celebrates this festival of new beginnings and hope, Govinda and Sunita's story reminds us of the power of unity and love. Wishing everyone a joyous Ganesh Chaturthi filled with peace and togetherness. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
भाई अंदर पीछे क्या बात है मेरे आगे भाई लेना भाई कितना लेगा अबे एक मेरे फोन खराब कर रहा है नहीं लेता अरे ऐसे रुकिए ज्यादा नहीं मैडम आप भी आइए मैम आप भी आइए मैम आप आइए अरे खाओ यार अरे गणपति बप्पा मामा की प्रसाद ले लो अजय जी प्रसाद लो बारिश नहीं है कुछ नहीं गणपति बप्पा गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति गोविंदा जी सर सामने देखिए ना सामने गणपति बप्पा सेंटर में सर सामने ये मनोज थैंक यू नहीं क्या हे पकड़ दो मैं कैमरा कर दो बोलून ठेव रात्री बोलायला दादा मनोज जी हाथ हटाओ अरे जल्दी बारिश आ रहा है तू ढकल रहे हो सामने देखो ना सामने गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति गोविंदा जी प्रसाद बांटते
Hrithik Roshan is known for his blockbuster movies, stylish looks, and fitness, but this time, it's his real estate move that's grabbing all the attention. The Bollywood superstar has rented out his luxurious sea-facing flat in Mumbai's Juhu to none other than his girlfriend, actress and singer Sabaa Azad. Located in the plush Mannat Apartments on the Juhu-Versova Link Road, the apartment is in one of the most exclusive areas of the city. According to official property documents, Hrithik rented the apartment to Sabaa for 75,000 rupees per month. She also paid a security deposit of 1.25 lakh rupees to move into the property. Local brokers say that the rent for a similar 3 BHK flat in the area, measuring around 1,000 to 1,300 square feet, usually ranges between 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakh rupees per month. So it seems Sabaa got a great deal. And this building isn't new to Hrithik's property portfolio. Back in October 2020, he purchased 3 units here, including the entire 18th floor and a duplex across the 19th and 20th floors, for a whopping 97.5 crore rupees. Real estate seems to run in the Roshan family. In May 2025, Hrithik and his father Rakesh Roshan sold 3 apartments in Andheri for 6.75 crore rupees. Earlier this year, Hrithik also leased a 2,727 square feet office space in Gurgaon for 5.62 lakh rupees a month, and in February, renewed a lease on a 9,209 square feet commercial property in Pune's Kharadi for 6.08 lakh rupees per month. From big screen success to smart real estate moves, Hrithik Roshan continues to make headlines both on and off screen.